Collective nouns and compound nouns quiz.
Instruction. Choose the best answer. 1. Which is a collective noun? A. Notebook. B. Team. C. Toothbrush. D. Playground. The answer is B. Team. 2. Which is a compound noun? A. Crowd. B. Family. C. Basketball. D. Class. The answer is C. Basketball. 3. A group of cows is called A. Pack. B. School. C. Herd. D. Bunch. The answer is C. Herd. 4. Which word is made of two words joined together? A. Audience. B. Police. C. Bedroom. D. Staff. The answer is C. Bedroom. 5. Class is A. Compound noun. B. Abstract noun. C. Proper noun. D. Collective noun. The answer is D. Collective noun. 6. Toothpaste is A. Collective noun. B. Abstract noun. C. Compound noun. D. Common noun. The answer is C. Compound noun. 7. Which sentence contains a collective noun? A. The boy is late. B. The team won the game. C. The chair is broken. D. The book is new. The answer is B. The team won the game. 8. Which word is not collective? A. Flock. B. Audience. C. Notebook. D. Herd. The answer is C. Notebook. 9. Which is a compound noun? A. Class. B. Crowd. C. Toothpaste. D. Family. The answer is C. Toothpaste. 10. Which sentence contains a collective noun? A. The book is interesting. B. The audience clapped loudly. C. The pencil is broken. D. The bag is heavy. The answer is B. The audience clapped loudly. Score 8 to 10. Excellent. Score 5 to 7. Keep practicing. Below 5. Watch the lesson link and try again. Comment your score.